The Amazfit Helio ring comes in three sizes: an 8, a 10, and a 12. My wife needed the size 8 but was sent the 12. And with Amazfit less than stellar customer service, we received the proper size about a month and a half later. Um, Emailed them and called them, shipping delays. So that was very frustrating. Once we got um, the watch finish was very nice. However, we could only choose from gold color. Wish there was a silver or maybe even a black option. Um, this watch does have three different batteries depending on what size you go with. The size 8 comes with the smallest battery, and the size 12 comes with the biggest battery, promising all of them up to about a 4 day battery life. We were experiencing about 3 days battery life with this watch. I mean, with this ring. This does have a heart rate sensor, temperature sensor, EDA sensor, as well as an acceleration sensor and a gyroscope sensor. Does come with a charger for you to set your ring on. Just pay attention to the notch that's on the ring and the charger so that it sits on there properly. This charger does come with a USB-C cable for you to plug into your AC adapter, as it does not come with this. Once the C cable is plugged into the charger, make sure the notch as pointed here and the notch on the charger is lined up. It needs to be set on there all the way so that the blue light does turn on, which allows it to lock in there and won't move left or right. However, if you do set it there to the side, it will not push down and it will not charge. So once you're going to bed at night, and if you need to set it on there or during the day and you don't notice it's on there, it will not charge. Setting up this ring was fairly straightforward. I do have the T-Rex 3, so the setup of this was pretty much similar. However, with the ring, as you can see, I struggled putting it on the charger there. It does need to be on the charger to pair with the app, so just make sure you have that plugged in and ready so that you can pair it properly. Then you can go through the setup of setting it up how you want for your sleep and whatever activity you want, as there's a lot to go through in the app. My biggest downfall with this ring, as I will show you here, is that this app only allows you to have 4 workouts built into it. And these are GPS workouts, and my wife likes to do a lot of workouts indoor. So trying to go back and forth from the Google Fit to this app was very frustrating. And this app, to get your readiness, is very heavily based on your exertion load and your workout score. And if it cannot detect that, what's the point of the readiness score? So for that, I would have to give this ring a 2 out of 5, as working out was very important to her. The next important thing was tracking of steps. This didn't seem to be as accurate either. It even changed depending on what finger she tried it out on. I will probably end up wearing this ring, as Amazfit suggests pairing this ring with a watch. However, I don't see this as the point of the ring. So that's the reason I did eventually give it a 2 out of 5 for a score already.